In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members to Attio. Whether you're onboarding a new colleague or rolling Attio out to your whole organization, this clear walkthrough will get everyone into your workspace with the right level of access. Start by signing into your Attio account. Make sure you're using an account that's allowed to manage the workspace. If you don't see the options in this guide, you may not have sufficient permissions, and an existing admin can adjust that for you. Once you're in, head to your company profile and open Workspace Settings. This is where all organization-wide preferences live, including who can access your data. Inside Workspace Settings, open Members and Teams. This page lists everyone who currently has access, their roles, and pending invitations, and it's the central place where you'll manage who joins your workspace. Click Invite Team Members to start a new invite. A dialog will appear where you can add people by email. Type the work email address of each person you want to invite. You can add multiple addresses in one go, paste a list or separate addresses with commas or line breaks, which is handy when you're onboarding a whole team. Double-check spelling and use official company emails so permissions and audits stay clean. Next, choose the role for each person. You'll typically pick between member and admin. Members can collaborate, view and edit data based on permissions you set elsewhere, and use the everyday features of Attio. Admins have elevated control. They can manage workspace settings, invite or remove users, configure integrations, and often access billing and security options. Select the appropriate level for each invitee based on their responsibilities, following the principle of least privilege to keep your workspace secure. For this example, select Admin. This is useful for team leads or workspace owners who need to manage structure and access. If you're unsure, start with Member and adjust later in Workspace Settings. It's safer to grant more access only when necessary, and you can always promote someone once they're set up. When everything looks good, click Send Invites. Attio will dispatch an email to each address you entered with a link to join your workspace. Delivery can take a moment depending on company filters, so let teammates know to keep an eye on their inbox. To finalize, click Send Invites again if you see a confirmation prompt. That's it. The invitations are on their way, and your team will appear as they accept. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.